Come on, let's go to the lake. Come on, pup. Good girl. Go, puppy.
It's no secret that these owners love their dogs, and their dogs love them right back.
What do you see? I do a little bit of pretty much everything with them.
Everything from running to mushing to playing at home. Sandy Schrager has 4 Alaskan Malamutes. This one is the youngest of the bunch.
Lucy, she's a Spitfire.
I can't imagine, my life without them. So, they're just a central part of my life.
Come on, girl. Let's go.
It's not just companionship. It turns out we're closer to man's best friend than we think. That can make them science's best friend, too.
The goal is to follow dogs for their entire lives, young, old, big, small, males, females, all dogs all around the U.S., to understand how the biology and the environment shape healthy aging in dogs.
The Dog Aging Project is hoping to recruit 10,000 dogs across the U.S. for the study. Daniel Promislow is working on the project. He's seen how his own dog, Frisbee, has aged.
Yes, good girl. People think she's a puppy, but I've seen how she's slowed down from what she was able to do when she was 4 or 5 years old to now that she's 14.
The project will gather information like what the dog does, its genetics, and medical history.
What can we learn that will have an impact on the health and well-being of pet dogs in the future? So for example, if we can identify a gene that is strongly associated with, say, a particular form of cancer, most cancers are age-related in dogs just like in people, then potentially that will allow veterinarians in the future to know that a dog has this particular variant, that they're at high risk for this cancer, and be able to detect it earlier in order to be able to treat it earlier.
It's a partnership between the University of Washington School of Medicine and Texas A&M Veterinary School. It won't only benefit our 4-legged friends.
By studying aging in pet dogs living in human environments, we can learn things that will translate to human health as we age in a shorter period of time, and will also directly benefit companion dogs along the way, which is extremely important to me as a veterinarian.
Dogs and humans age mostly in the same way. They have a similar genome, get the same diseases, and share our environment.
Traditionally, in medicine, we have waited until people are sick, and then we try to do something about it. We try to cure their disease, or we try to at least alleviate the symptoms. The goal here is really to keep dogs and people healthy as long as possible before they get sick. And I think that this is kind of a really important aspect of targeting the biology of aging directly rather than targeting individual diseases as they happen.
And this project will continually evolve as they learn more.
My hope is that it will go on for many, many years, long past the time when I retire, and other people will join the study and begin to study other things that we hadn't even thought of. So really, the possibilities of what we study in this project are limitless.
Which is why Sandy is excited for the Dog Aging Project. Because everyone wants their dogs and their loved ones to have healthy lives for as long as possible.
Good girl.
From the UW Medicine
Good
Newsroom in
job.
Seattle, I'm Katie Chen.